Nahum 2, Nahum 2, pembongkar maju terhadap engkau, adakan penjagaan di benteng. Mengintailah di jalan, ikatlah pinggangmu teguh-teguh, kumpulkanlah segala kekuatan. He that does in peace is come up before thy face. Keep the munition, watch the way, make the loin strong, fortify power, kan kebanggaan Yakub, seperti kebanggaan Israel, sebab perusak telah merusakkannya dan telah membinasakan carang-carangnya. For the Lord hath turned away the excellency of Israel, for the emptiers have emptied them out and mirror their fine brands. Perisai para pahlawannya berwarna merah, prajuritnya berpakaian kirmisi, kereta berkilat-kilat seperti api suluh. Pada hari ia melengkapinya dan kuda-kuda penuh gelisah. The shell of his mighty men is made red. The valiant men are in scarlet. The carrot shall be with flaming torch in the day of his preparation, and the fir trees shall be terribly shaken. Kereta melaju galak di jalan, kejar mengejar di lapangan, kelihatannya seperti suluh, berpacu seperti kilat. The carrot shall rake in the street, they shall jostle once against another in the broad ways. They shall seem like torches, they shall run like the lightnings. Pasukan-pasukan istimewa dikerahkan, mereka tersandung jatuh. Di waktu berjalan mundur, mereka lari terburu-buru di arah tembok kota, sedang alat pendobrak sudah ditegakkan. He shall recount his worthies, they shall stumble in their walk, they shall make haste to the wall thereof, and the defense shall be prepared. Pintu-pintu di sungai-sungai telah dibuka, dan istana menjadi gempar. The gates of the river shall be opened, and the place shall be dissolved. Permaisuri dibawa keluar dan ditelanjangi, dan dayang-dayangnya mengerang, mengadu seperti suara merpati, sambil memukul-mukul dada. And Hushab shall be led away captive. She shall be brought up, and her maids shall lead her as with the voice of dove, jabbering upon their breasts. Air yang airnya mengalir keluar. Berhenti, teriak orang, tetapi tidak ada yang berpaling. But Nineveh is of all like a pool of water, yet they shall flee away. Stand, stand, shall they cry, but none shall look back. Jarahlah perak, jarahlah emas, sebab tidak berkesudahan. Persediaan harta benda, kelimpahan segala barang yang indah-indah. Take ye the spoil of silver, take the spoil of gold, for there is none, and of the store and glory out of all the pleasant furniture. Ketandusan, penandusan, dan penindasan, hati menjadi tawar dan lutut goyah. Segenap pinggang gemetar dan muka sekalian orang menjadi pucat pasi. She's empty and void and vast, and the hearts melt, and the knees smite together, and much pain is in all loins, and the face of them all gather blackness. Di mana gerangan persembunyian singa dan gua singa-singa muda, tempat singa pulang pergi, tempat anak singa, di mana tidak ada yang menanggungnya, tidak ada yang mengganggunya. Where is the dwelling of the lion and the feeding place of the young lion? where the lion, even the old lion, and the lion whelp, and none made them afraid. Biasanya singa itu menerkam supaya cukup makan anak-anaknya, mencekik mangsa bagi betina-betinanya, dan memenuhi liangnya dengan mangsa dan persembuhannya dengan terkaman. The lion did tear in peace and knock for his help and strangle for his lion and fill his halls with prey and his dens with ravine. Lihat, aku akan menjadi lawanmu, demikianlah firman Tuhan semesta alam. Aku akan membakar keretamu menjadi asap, dan pedang akan memakan habis singa mudahmu. Aku akan melenyapkan mangsamu dari atas bumi, dan suara utusan-utusanmu tidak akan terdengar lagi. Behold, I am against thee, said the Lord of hosts, and I will burn her chariot in the smoke, and the sword shall devour thy young lions, and I will cut off thy prey from the earth, and the voice of the messenger shall no more be heard.